like to show you how to turn things in on Canvas. Like thank Millie Patrick for use her account. I'm going to go here, find the engineering class, whatever that is, whatever class you have with me. Go ahead and click into it. You should see right up here on your home screen whatever assignment is up next, or however that's working for yours. I'm going to use this advanced ISO figures as the example. I'm going to click on that. Going to take a minute to load. This is a new assignment that I just put up, so I don't have my documents into it already. I don't have the instructions and everything into it, but that would all appear down here in this area. It also tells you when the due date is. So when you are ready to submit it, go up here, go to submit assignment. You'll scroll down a little bit. You'll see file upload. If you are actually submitting something from the computer, so like on your network drive, that's when you would go here, hit choose file, find it wherever you have saved it at in your network drive, probably your PLTW folder or Tech 7 or Tech 8 or whatever we had called it, and then you would double click on it and then it would show up right here, and then you could just hit submit assignment and it's done. Most of the things that we're going to turn in will be either through Google, whether it be a presentation or anything like that, docs. So we'll look on here. You can use the Google Drive tab sometimes. Sometimes it's a little slower than what it should be, and sometimes we've had problems turning things in that way, but you can see that everything populates in through here. Or what I usually tell students to do is go to Google Docs. The reason is I like the way it sets up things better. So you can go into here, find whatever, hit submit assignment, and then it will submit that assignment. So hopefully that helps you turn things in through Canvas. Makes it a little bit easier for you.